Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Go to work.
No.
Excuse me. Ew. Excuse me. I think. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me.
No.
You can't. Excuse me. And still keep burping. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh no. Oh no. You can't see my face, I'm sorry. No. I think I have the hiccups. No. You just like put your tongue to the roof of your mouth and then you swallow the air. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bye. Nice not having... Yeah, that's true. That's true. The people that are just like, give burp. Burp now. Do you fart? Burp and fart for me. Just...